Hello everyone! It has been a minute since I have filmed a video because I suck at keeping up with my YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm here today with the No Mirror Makeup Challenge, and I do realize that this is not a new challenge, but I saw someone do it the other day and I figured, you know what, that looks fun. And I just want to do something different. Like, I don't really do challenge videos. So I'm going to jump into this. The only thing that I can see myself in is my little viewfinder in my camera, and it's so far away that I really can't tell what I'm actually doing on my face because I can't see it up close. But I am going to use that just to make sure that I'm like in the camera frame. So I'm going to jump into this and I'll tell you the products that I'm using as I go along. So the first thing that I'm going to start out with is my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm just going to put a little pump on my hand. And I do not have a mirror. Oh my goodness, this feels weird. I thought I was going to be confident in myself because when I'm doing my makeup, even with the mirror, sometimes like I'm able to look off and still do it. Or when I'm in the car, sometimes I can do it without looking in a mirror. But I've never done a full face of makeup without being able to look in a mirror at all. So I told myself before I did this that we were just gonna blend. And if you blend and overblend, it'll turn out okay. I'm gonna go in with some foundation, and this is the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination. Whew, I say that 5 times fast. And this does have a mirror, but I'm going to hold it over here so that you know I am not cheating and looking in the mirror. Oh, and this is the Tarte Buffer brush, I wanna say. The Buffer foundation brush or something like that, but it is amazing. Okay, blush. Got my blush brush. I'm going to get my blush. I feel like I need to give myself a pat down, like so I can feel where my cheekbones are. Okay, here we go. It's so weird because when you do your makeup with a mirror, you think, oh, I've got this. Like, this is my own face. I do this every day. And so you feel confident, like, oh, I know my own face, this won't be hard. And then you actually start doing it with a mirror, and I cannot tell how dark it is, how light it is, if it's even blended in the right spot. Just for safe measure. What if this turned out like actually really good, and then I could actually go run my errands with it, and then I just won't ever need a mirror again? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I don't know, I'm telling y'all, blending is key. If you just blend, I mean, you could put like rainbow eyeshadow on, and as long as you blend, hey, it's good. And I have no idea what I look like right now. Maybe a clown, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. Okay, I don't know what I want to do for eyeshadow. Okay, I think I'm going to use some ShadowSense because, like I said, I want to challenge myself. I feel like blending cream eyeshadow is a little more difficult than powder eyeshadow. So I am going to use Mocha Java Shimmer ShadowSense. Hopefully you can see that. It's just a light brown kind of shimmery all over color. And I am going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to put this on my eyelid and attempt to blend it up into my crease a little bit. I feel like I have to close both of my eyes. This is actually kind of relaxing. Like, it feels like someone else is doing my makeup. Except they're not, it's me. Okay, I don't know what this looks like, but I'm scared to put any more because I don't want my crease to be too dark. So I'm gonna stop there. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush. It's also a blending brush, but it's a little bit smaller. And I'm going to do my outer V and my lid going to attempt to do my outer V and my lid, and I'm going to use this dark purple shade right here. Okay, I'm going to attempt my outer V and my eyelid. I don't even know where I'm putting this. I feel like I gotta fill my eye. Okay. Oh no. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? I don't like this. This is actually much more uncomfortable than I thought it would be. Because usually I feel like I am in control of what's happening on my face, and now I feel like I'm really not. I mean, I am in control, but I can't see what's happening on my face, and you guys can see what's happening on my face, which is a little tiny bit uncomfortable actually, because I have no idea what this looks like. What do I normally do next? Oh, lower lash line. I'm gonna mix these two shades right here. This is Omega from MAC, and this one is Copperplate from MAC. So I'm gonna mix those, and I'm just, oh no. Okay, I'm just going to put these on my lower lash line to add some definition. And then I'm going to put that dark purple color again from Makeup Geek on the like outer part of my lower lash line. Y'all, this is actually really nerve-wracking because I feel like I'm going way too far down with it, but I don't want to go up more because I don't want to poke myself in the eye. So I have no idea what I'm doing. Now I'm going to take that same pencil brush, and I'm going to go back in with Last Dance from Makeup Geek, this dark plum color that I put on my outer corner, and I'm going to attempt to darken up the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm like scared to smile or anything because I don't want to make a face and poke myself in the eye. Okay, but I'm doing what I normally do, just with no mirror, darkening up that outer V area. Not good, just because I don't want to go overboard with it. I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner right here, and I'm using another ShadowSense color, and again this is from SeneGence, and it's the one that does not crease, doesn't move, it's long lasting eyeshadow, and this is in Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. So this is just a good kind of neutral highlight color. This is about to look a little stupid, but whatever. Okay, I feel my brow, there's my brow bone. Hopefully I'm in the right spot. I probably just filled in my whole entire eyebrows with the highlight color. So I might look like an alien by the time that this is done, but it's okay. Blend it into those eyeshadows. I hope y'all can see that. Am I highlighted? Now I'm gonna do the inner corner, other inner corner, and I'm just using what's left over on my brush right now at this point because I'm scared. I'm scared to add too much. So again, I just have the ShadowSense Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, and I'm not going to put this directly on my cheekbone. I'm going to take my brush and just kind of like dab some off of the applicator because I don't want too much. Oh, that looks like a lot. Okay, so I'm going to put a little on this cheekbone and a little on this one. And I'm going to blend and pat and blend. With this stuff too, a little bit goes a long way. So I probably just over highlighted my face, and probably now I look like a light bulb. So I'm going to take this and this little angled brush, and I'm just going to get some on the brush, and then I'm going to attempt to put it on. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is not easy. Whatever, I'm going for it. I feel like I made that wing a little higher, so I'm gonna go in over here. Okay, now I'm going to attempt my lower lash line. Y'all, this is the part that I'm about to straight up look like a clown because I can't do my eyebrows even with a mirror. I literally, like my eyebrows, I can barely fill them because they're so thin. Anyway, I don't even think I'm on my eyebrow. What is happening? I don't know if that's even filled in or not, but I'm scared to put too much. Going in now with the Loreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Okay, here we go. I'm going for it. I feel like I just smudged mascara all over my lower lash line. Lashes, here we go. Goodness, I keep touching myself like on the inside of my nose with this wand, so I know I'm gonna have a mascara mess on my face. This is a LipSense color. This is also by the SeneGence brand. If you haven't heard of LipSense, it is a long wearing lip color, and once you put it on, it does not move until you put the remover on and take it off, and you have to do 3 coats of it. Then you put the gloss on top. So this should be interesting to see how I do 3 coats of a pink lipstick with no mirror. Okay, here we go. First coat. Gotta let it dry. All right, I just did the gloss on my lips, which was the final step. I don't think I forgot anything. Hopefully I did not. And I am about to get a mirror and look at the mess I made on my face. Before I do that though, I do want to let you guys kind of see it up close before I look at it. So this is what I did with no mirror whatsoever. I cannot see anything, so if I look like a total clown and just scared you away from my channel, I do apologize. Okay, so I got my mirror and here we go. Wow, I look like a disco ball. The one thing I will say that's a plus side to this is that ShadowSense works amazingly for a highlighter. You just don't need as much as I put on my face. I actually don't hate the eyeshadow. So hopefully you can see that. I don't hate the eyeshadow. This right here is another story. You can see these little eyebrow pencil strokes that I did like way up here. Way up there. My brows, my eyeliner, and my blush and highlighter look like a complete clown job, but I don't hate the rest of it. Like I am not going in public like this, but I did way better than I thought I would do with no mirror. That is it for this challenge video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you decide that you want to play around and see if you can do your makeup with no mirror, then please take a picture and tag me in it so that I can see what all you do. As always, if you have any requests, any comments, anything like that, please comment down below. Thank you again so much for watching and for all of your support. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.